भारत सरकार के आयुष मंत्रालय के सचिव हमारे डॉक्टर राजेश कोटेचा जी के साथ, वैद्य राजेश कोटेचा साहब के साथ आज वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस हुई है और उसमें भी एक चीज़ की नोंद उन्होंने भी ली है जो पूरे इंडिया भर के लोगों के साथ शेयर किया गया है कि हमारे यहाँ जो क्वारंटीन सेंटर्स थे उसमें हमने खास एक प्रयोग किया था कि उसमें से 6,000 स्लाइड आप लाइए पहलो स्लाइड इंडियन, उसमें 6,000 ऐसे लोग थे जो आयुष की उनको एक उपचार की विकल्प दी गई थी और उसमें से पाया गया कि लगभग सभी लोग 6,000 उपरांत लोग जिन्होंने इस ऑप्शन को चुना था उनको क्वारंटीन में रह के ये लेने के बाद उनकी टेस्ट पॉजिटिव नहीं हुई। 11 ऐसे लोग हुए कि जिनकी टेस्ट पॉजिटिव हुई थी, परंतु ये भी इस संशोधन या इस छोटे से एक्शन रिसर्च के दरमियान हमने नोट की है कि 11 लोगों को सिर्फ 3 दिन, वैसे 7 दिन तक ये लेना होता है, पर 3 दिन तक ही उन्होंने ली थी, फिर ये नेगेटिव आया था, पॉजिटिव आया था उनका। लेकिन बाकी सब 6,210 जितने लोगों में हमने एक इनिशिएटिव पहल शुरू की थी, इनमें से 11 लोगों को छोड़कर बाकी सब के टेस्ट नेगेटिव आए थे, तो इस चीज़ की भी नोंद राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर ली गई है। वी टुक a decision on around the 6th of March. We had constituted a team of experts and we decided to really distribute what is known as Okara. This is basically to boost the immunity. It is also called Amrit Pay, a concoction of various Ayurvedic herbs and various medicines, and this has been very popularly received. We have distributed as many as 1,05,41,000 doses across the population, and it is still being done on a free of cost basis. Similarly, the tablet Samsham Vati, we have distributed as many as 1.72 lakh doses of this. People phone us up at 104, come to the Ayurvedic dispensaries and collect it, which is again offered free of cost to anybody who wants to take it. Similarly, we have provided about 76.72 lakh doses of the homeopathy medicine for boosting the immunity, arsenicum album of 30 potency, and as many 76,72,000 people have availed of this. The other very interesting experiment that our team has done is that we decided to experiment with those who are in the quarantine centers, which means people who've had a contact with positive patients but who are completing the 14-day period in the quarantine center. So we selected 179 such quarantine centers, and there were in all 6,210 people there who gave their consent and willingness to adopt by the homeopathy or Ayurvedic treatment to boost their immunity during the quarantine period. So Ayurvedic medicines were given to 3,585 people in the quarantine center, and similarly as many as 2,625 people chose to go for homeopathy treatment, which was administered to them. It's very interesting to note that out of all these people, none of them except 11 tested positive. I mean, none of them tested positive. It was only 11 who tested positive, and even these 11 people, there is a footnote that our team noted that this experiment was started from 10th of April. We took a decision formally at the government level, but we found that these 11 people were not able to, because the 14-day period was coming to an end, and they were only able to take this dose for a period of 3 days or less, while the actual prescription is for a 7-day period. So they did the test after 3 days and it turned out negative. But the rest of them, interestingly, all of them have turned out negative. These 11 people had a positive test. So this again goes to show that this experiment of providing homeopathy and Ayurvedic treatment or prophylactic immunity boosting treatment to those in quarantine has worked quite well, and this was shared as a national best practice today in the video conference with the Secretary Ayush, Vaidya Rajesh Kotecha. Thank you.